In this session, we will look at a little more challenging setup. This time, we will be looking for trend direction on the 4-hour chart. Always do your trend analysis on a longer time frame. Here we are looking at the US Canadian dollar, which is in a steep uptrend. Let's draw our trend line across all these levels of support. Here you can see the higher highs and the higher lows. This is a very obvious uptrend. So what we want to do here is finding buy opportunities on the short time frames. Open the 30-minute chart of the US dollar Canadian and let's see where we can find a good support level. Market tested the level here, so this provides a perfect support level for our buy trade. When price comes down to this level again, we'll be looking for a bullish candle pattern to give us the go-ahead. But for this strategy, we're not going to rely on price action alone. We will add stochastic as our momentum indicator to pinpoint our entries. Before we continue, let's quickly add stochastic to our charts. Come over to Navigator here, left-click Indicators, double-click Stochastic right down here to open the stochastic window on your platform. Most of the values and settings of stochastic can be changed and edited here. So left-click Input, double left-click on the 5 value of the K period and manually change the 5 value to the slower value 8. Leave the colors as is, but change the color of the control levels. So to do that, left-click Levels and down here, click on this drop arrow and choose red. Then you can click OK. To narrow the stochastic window down a little, put your cursor on this line here and then left-click while holding the left mouse button down and drag it down. Not too much, just like this. To save this as a template, go up to Templates here, left-click Template, click Save Template and name your template. Let's call it Confluence Strategy 30 Minutes. And then click Save. Right here you can see your stochastic settings, 833, and here you have the 80 control level and down here the 20 control level. Now let's see how we're going to trade this strategy. On the 4-hour chart of the US Canadian, you have already drawn your trend line across all the higher lows. This is a very clear and strong uptrend. Now open your 30-minute chart. What we are looking for is for market to retrace back to this support level here and give us a reversal signal. For this strategy, we will use the engulfing candle pattern. Once the market hits this level and produce a bullish engulfing candle, it will be our signal that market is ready to resume its uptrend. And this pullback here was just a small retracement move in an overall uptrend. And there we are. This bullish engulfing candle here at the support level is a strong signal to buy this currency pair. To decide when we're going to enter the trade, let's see what stochastic has to say. At the moment, stochastic is in an oversold situation. When stochastic rises above the 20% control level, with both lines, red and yellow, it provides a signal of upward momentum and an excellent entry for our buy trade. Just one very important rule to remember. Always wait for the candle to close before entering your trade. So when you're analyzing the market on the 30-minute chart, wait for the 30-minute candle to close so you can be sure stochastic will stay above the 20% level. Now we have a whole lot of confluence going on here. We have this uptrend on the 4-hour chart and then we have the support level down here, which is our second point of confluence. The third confluence point is the bullish engulfing candle pattern here at the support level. The conservative trader will most probably wait for a green confirmation candle, which will be confluence point number 4. And lastly, confluence number 5 is when stochastic rises above the oversold level and is now trending up. So, our entry point will be when the candle closes on the 30-minute chart and both lines of stochastic are above the 20 control level. The stop loss for this trade will go right here at the lowest point of the bullish engulfing candle pattern. And your take profit target will be at the next resistance level, right here. Now let's design our trading checklist for this confluence strategy. For a buy trade, find your trend direction on the 4-hour chart. Then open the 30-minute chart to find support. Wait for an engulfing candle pattern at your support level. We've added stochastic to our charts to indicate momentum, and for a buy trade, stochastic must be in an oversold position and then rises above the 20% control level. The stop loss will go at the lowest end of this bullish engulfing pattern, and your take profit target will be the next resistance level. For a sell trade, we will do the reverse. Again, find direction on the 4-hour chart, then open the 30-minute chart to find resistance. Wait for a bearish engulfing candle at a resistance level. We have stochastic on our charts to indicate momentum, and for a sell trade, stochastic must be in an overbought situation and then moves below the 80 control level, with both lines red and yellow. The stop loss will go at the highest point of your bearish engulfing pattern, and your take profit target will be at the next support level.